COVID-19 is with no doubt the world's most dangerous pandemic since the Spanish flu. The novel coronavirus began in China, but it soon spread all around the world. Quickly, Italy became the world's worst affected nation, then Spain, and then the rest of Europe became engulfed by the virus. The European Union's response to the outbreak has been heavily criticised. First, the EU's chief scientist resigned over their haphazard response. On Tuesday, Mauro Ferrari, president of the European Research Council, resigned, saying, "I have been extremely disappointed by the European response to COVID-19. I arrived at the ERC a fervent supporter of the EU. The COVID-19 crisis completely changed my views, though the ideals of international collaboration I continue to support with enthusiasm." Ferrari's main fault with the European response to the virus was the unanimous rejection of a proposed special ERC programme to tackle coronavirus Europe-wide. Italy so far is the worst affected EU member state, with over 17,000 deaths and 139,000 cases. It has been the most critical country of the EU's response. The Italian Prime Minister told the BBC, "Brussels faces the biggest test since World War II, and if we do not seize the opportunity to put new life into the European project, the risk of failure is real." Other Italian politicians have been even more damning, with former Deputy Prime Minister Matteo Salvini tweeting, "This is a den of snakes and jackals. First we defeat the virus, then remember Europe, and if necessary, we say goodbye." EU finance ministers have been bitterly attempting to put together a relief package to help weaker economies, as this pandemic is likely to cause one of the worst recessions faced in modern times. After 16 hours of talks on Wednesday, no agreement was reached between member states on how to support each other's economies. The European Central Bank says the bloc may need up to €1.5 trillion to tackle the crisis. Whilst negotiations are still taking place for a financial bailout, the EU continues to struggle to tackle the global pandemic.